Be careful. Are you dizzy?
Yeah. Look at my leg.
Oh my goodness, it's dirty.
Can you help me up?
Sure.
My foot. Hey, look. That actually looks good. Can I go over there?
Yeah, go. Hey guys, Bobby here with Mississippi Gulf Coast Gardener. I just got back from the Deep South Homestead Gathering, and man, it was a lot of fun. I got to meet and greet a lot of the people that I've been watching for so long. I made some new friends, and it was just a really cool experience altogether. Today's video, we're gonna show some pictures and whatnot that I took from that gathering, but I want to talk about the irrigation. I'm actually running the drip irrigation to the beds, and I've done one bed, and we're gonna do the rest probably tomorrow. But I want to just kind of show you exactly what's going on. Okay, so to connect this pipe, what I'm using is a 1/2 inch 90 to poly line, and we're going to put this in here just like that, and we're going to, I use plumber's tape, and then I'm actually going to cut this a little bit more. And then we're going to use a 1/2 inch T right there. And that won't come out. From there, we're going to run 1/2 inch poly to an elbow, more elbows, and just create the same rectangle. Next, we're just going to measure. So I want to stay inside of the cattle panel trellis there. So I'm just using an eyeball measurement about that far to about right here. Just like that. Do it again on this side and we'll go that way. Okay, so we measured this piece here, and we're going to run an elbow down to that end. Same thing on this side. I've measured this piece and slide it in. And then we're going to get some elbows. We'll go that way. All right, so now we'll just take one of these elbows and put that in there nice and tight. Take this piece nice and tight. Then we'll move over to this side. All right, then we'll do the other end just like that. All right. You know me and weeds. Only pull them when I'm down here. Anyways, we're gonna put elbows on this end and close the circle. When this tubing is warm, and it's about 70 some degrees out here, it molds on there pretty easy. Just needs a little elbow grease. You do want to make sure you don't put a bunch of trash in there. And just like that. Now I'll take pins and poke this down and it'll stay put. But for the most part, that's it. All we have to do is add our sprayer heads and we'll be done. Okay, so now we're going to use this little tool and this little dripper head to put into the line. I'm not putting them all in today because I don't know exactly where my plants are going to be, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you. What I'm using here is an adjustable dripper. It's a nozzle that you just turn the head, and you can increase or decrease the amount of water that comes out from 0 to 10 gallons per hour. Make sure that you use this puncher on top of the line and not on the side. Watch. Easy peasy. Okay, so I turned the water on. Everything's looking good on this side. And look, Gertie's taking a dust bath. Hey guys. All right, so let's go check out and see just what kind of success we've had. We'll see. I've just put a few of those sprayer heads in there. Let's see what we got. Okay, so these are the first ones I did. And you can see I kind of put them on the side of the hose instead of the top. That's why I showed you. Make sure you put them on the top. But that's okay. I'll survive. And if you look at this one, that's going to be putting out a beautiful amount of water. This one is turned down a little bit. So let's open it up. There we go. Just like that. And if you want to see how hard they'll go, I guess we could open it up and show you. I guess they'll go more than that. Heck, I don't know. Yeah, look at there. We don't need that much. But I would call that a success. I do want to say a very special thank you to Danny and Wanda over at Deep South Homestead. You guys put on an amazing weekend. I know it took a lot of effort on your part, so thank you from the bottom of my heart. It was such a pleasure meeting you and everybody else that I've enjoyed watching for so long. Then I got to meet Sherrie and Daryl from Two Family Homestead. You guys are amazing. It was such a pleasure meeting y'all. And Daryl, your talent, man, for computers and sound systems and all that stuff. You know, we're lucky to have you in the community, man, because you really made things go the way Danny and Wanda wanted them to. So thank you for that. And I got to meet VW Family Farm. Blew my socks off. They are so nice. We sat and talked for a good little while, and his children are just like the perfect kids. They're so well mannered, so smart, so helpful, just right there, boom in your face, kind. So that was really awesome. I got to meet, who else? Dan from Home in the Sticks. He's even more cool in person than he is on his videos. Brother, it was nice to meet you. I hope to see you again sometime in the near future. Anna Cooley at Mimsy's Garden. I didn't get a picture with you, Anna, but maybe next year. And of course I got to meet Jess and Maya from Roots and Refuge. That was really awesome. You guys, I enjoyed your speaking. I enjoyed just hanging out with you. It was so cool. I look forward to doing that again in the future. I don't know if I'm going to get to make it to the shindig you and VW Family Farms is having, but if there's a way, I will be there. And then there's the Styrer family. I met them, Zach and his wife and his two awesome kids, Wyatt and Ray Ray. It was like we've been friends for years, yet we just met. It was so awesome. We sat together while there was a lot of people speaking and whatnot, and we laughed and stuff and had a good time, and it's almost like we're just cut from the same cloth. Now, Zach, don't cry, man. Here. It's okay, buddy. You don't cry. Anyways, I had a blast, guys. It was so much fun. Thank you again, Deep South Homestead, Two Family Homestead. Putting all this together was just amazing. You did a wonderful job. Thank you for letting me be a part of it. I appreciate it. And until next time, guys, happy gardening. It's okay, Zach.